Hi. You guys want to learn how to ride and shift a dirt bike? Okay, first thing you need is a helmet. Always wear a helmet when you ride a dirt bike. Secondly, you got to make sure there's gas in your gas tank or it won't go anywhere. Okay, so now to get on to start by riding the dirt bike. Alright, so you get on the dirt bike. First thing you need to do is kick it over, kick start it. But I'm going to explain something first because you won't be able to hear me over the noise. So, when you want to get going, here, come around here. When you want to start to get going, your engine will be running. Just pulling this clutch here. You always want to know where the clutch is. You always want to have it pulled in when you're not riding, or if you're in neutral, or unless you're in neutral. So, you pull in the clutch. And you click the shifter down here, once down, and then that's first gear. So when you're in first gear, you slowly let out the clutch and give it gas. And you'll start to roll. When you feel it start to roll, you can just release the clutch fully. So as you're driving, you pull in the clutch. Well, when the RPMs of an engine get really high, you pull in the clutch, shift up 1, and that goes all the way up to 5 gears. Now to find neutral again, it's in between first and second, so you kind of half click it into neutral, and it's in neutral. So I'm going to demonstrate how to go. What you really don't want to do is you don't want to just let the clutch out and forget about the gas or it won't go anywhere. And what you really don't want to do is hammer on the throttle and just let go of the clutch, or you could risk having the bike go over. So I'll show you how to go. But first I'll show you the wrong way to do it. Okay, so you take the kickstarter, put your foot on it, you kick down really hard. Until your engine starts. So that was the engine starting, so I'm going to demonstrate the wrong way to go. See, if you let the clutch go like that, you're not going to go anywhere. So you put it back into neutral, start it back up. You want to slowly Okay, so that's how you start rolling. That was only first gear though. When you want to shift, you just pull in the clutch like I said before, shift up 1. I'll show you what it sounds like to shift. As you notice, whenever I was slowing down, I always pulled in the clutch because that keeps it running. So that's my video on how to shift and ride a dirt bike. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like to go through all the gears.
You recording? Alright, good.